Hey, we're Lighthouse.
We're Lighthouse.
We brand AC radio stations with strong, effective imaging, and that's all we do.
Maybe you've heard of our cousins, Kissville.
We're here to super serve AC radio in the same way that they've changed CHR jingles. We don't just sell you something. Instead, we're after an ongoing relationship. We ensure that your listeners are remembering your name and frequency with a massive kit of jingles, beds, and work parts, and cuts for your air talent, morning show, and more.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037 Light FM.
At the heart of Lighthouse is a set of strong, effective jingles.
Transition jingles like this.
1027. Today's fresh music. Fresh 1027.
And shotguns like this.
Light FM.
I'll play you them all in.
Every month, you'll have access to beds, sounders, and stagers to combine with your voice talent. They're all designed to fit alongside the sung jingles to give you a strong but accessible sound.
After all we do is AC.
The people who understand AC radio. And that's us.
That's Lighthouse.
Great. Whether you're light,
Light FM.
Sunny.
Sunny 106.5.
Magic.
Magic 95.5.
Fresh.
Fresh 1027.
or something completely unique.
KULD.
So, before we talk you through the jingles in Lighthouse, a quick reminder of what you'll get when you sign up.
You'll get a complete jingle package.
WLIT.
You'll get new jingles every quarter, including holiday cuts for the Christmas season.
Christmas.
With your choice of lyrics, of course.
Every month, you'll get access to an ever-growing library of beds and stagers for your station imaging.
And you'll be working with Lighthouse, the people who only work with AC radio.
You can hear all the audio at LITEHouseStudios.com.
That's light, spelled L-I-T-E.
But here are some highlights from the startup jingle package. There are 7 main themes, ranging from fast to slow, each with ramp, transition, ID, and shotgun mixes. Let's check out the transition cuts first.
Here's transition 1.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Transition 2.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Transition 3.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Transition 4.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Transition 5.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Transition 6.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Transition 7.
Today's refreshing light rock 1037. 1037 Light FM.
Now, a mix of the shotgun and ID mixes.
Shotgun 1.
Light FM.
ID 2.
1037. 1037 Light FM.
ID 3.
1037. 1037 Light FM.
Shotgun 4.
Light FM.
ID 5.
1037. 1037 Light FM.
Shotgun 6.
Light FM.
And Shotgun 7.
Light FM.
Every theme also has a ramp.
Great for coming out of stop sets. Here's a couple of them.
This is ramp 3.
Today's refreshing light rock. 1037. 1037. Light FM.
And this is ramp 6.
Today's refreshing light rock. 1037. 1037. Light FM.
Now for everything else in the startup pack.
Light FM.
This is your top of the hour ramp.
With the optional sing at the front.
Today's refreshing light rock. 1037. 1037. Light FM.
Next, your morning show.
Gene and Julie in the morning.
And there's a jock cut for all of your air talent.
Terry King.
Give them this bed with a 2-punch. Or use this standalone ID mix.
Julie DeHardy. 1037. 1037. Light FM.
We know how important weather, traffic, and news are.
So we think you'll like these.
Light FM satellite weather.
Firstly, weather and traffic and news. Oh, and if you carry the John Tesh or Delilah shows,
WLIT.
There's something special for you too.
Delilah.
but remember, this isn't just another AC jingle package.
This is Lighthouse.
The jingles update quarterly with new themes and mixes, and the production tools update monthly.
Beds for promos, drones for contests, short stagers to mix your voice talent with.
Lighthouse is AC radio jingles and imaging. We invite you to check everything out online at LITEHouseStudios.com.
That's light, spelled L-I-T-E.
Or email Amanda@LighthouseStudios.com.
You're AC. We're AC.
Light FM.
We're Lighthouse.